I already have a small garden and I want to extend it on an urban farm in an urban farm way. What's the best way to prepare the soil of this new era of tenth of an acres? Actually, here is lawn everywhere. Thanks, Jeff. Um, for that context, tenth of an acre, I would just build raised beds because then you can do it right over the grass. Put cardboard, build the frames right on top. I got a video coming up. Maybe I'll try to get it done before tomorrow. Um, but yeah, just build those frames right on top of the grass. Throw the cardboard inside so that that smothers out the grass. Then put your compost and soil amendments right on top of that. I think that's the easiest way to get a good garden going on. Right, and you don't have to do any landscaping or nothing. Just right on top of where you are. It's so simple. So I would suggest that. They're about $100 a bed. So we built these beds for my brother-in-law. They were 16 inches deep, which is a lot. You could do 8 and it would be fine. And that would be about half the cost. And we made them out of spruce. We put a linseed oil on the spruce, framed them together, and then compost. They took about a yard. So if you went half, you'd be half a yard, less than $100 a piece. And you can do them fast. And it really is the fastest way to do a garden, in my opinion.